Hello everyone, this is Dr. Meenakshi Gupta from the Conceptual Pharmacology channel. So today I am just going to talk about drug action or drug effect. So two things, they are very important. Are they same or are they synonym? सुनने में दोनों एक जैसे लगते हैं, इस ड्रग का ये इफेक्ट है या ये ड्रग का एक्शन ऐसे है, बट इज इट सो इन फार्माकोलॉजी? No. In pharmacology, these two, they are not synonym and they are very commonly asked in the examination, especially in the YOC. And this is a very basic thing you must know about what is the action and what is the effect of the drug. So to make you understand, I'm just taking a little bit basic thing. Like in pharmacology, the two main branches of pharmacology, they are pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics. Kinetics जैसे word से हमें पता लगता है, kinetics means movement in, through and out of the body. ठीक है, जब आपने कोई ड्रग ली उसके बाद उसकी मूवमेंट हुई, जब मूवमेंट हुई वो बॉडी में गई तो इम्पॉर्टेंट है व्हाट द बॉडी, एक बार उसकी मूवमेंट हो रही, बॉडी क्या करती है उस ड्रग के साथ. When you are going to take any drug, आपने orally ली है or you have applied it topically, तो first thing is it get absorbed. ठीक है, ये क्या होगी, सबसे पहले आपकी इस ड्रग की एब्जॉर्प्शन होगी. A stand for here absorption. Once it get absorbed, then it get distributed within the cell and outside the cell. ठीक है, so D stands here distribution. Once it get distributed, then what will happen, it get metabolized or there will be modification of this drug so that it should come out. ठीक है, ताकि ये excrete हो जाए through the main is urine, bile and feces. These are the three main routes by which the drug it get excreted. So pharmacokinetic में आपके क्या आते हैं, absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. And these four things, they are the just a basic thing which is very important, and it is for the appropriate use of the drug you must know about all these four. And what are the parameters, how we can measure this? So important parameter like absorption, how we can measure it? By bioavailability. The abbreviation for the bioavailability is F. So I have made one video on the bioavailability. If you haven't watched that video, I will be sharing the link in the description box, so you can go and watch that. So absorption, that is measured by the bioavailability, whereas distribution, it is measured by apparent volume of distribution, whereas these two, they are measured by clearance. ठीक है, so आपकी absorption, distribution, so these are the primary parameter. ठीक है, कौन से primary parameter? So you can see these are the primary parameter: bioavailability, apparent volume of distribution and clearance, whereas half life, that is the secondary parameter. Now the other important branch of pharmacology, that is a pharmacodynamic. So इसमें क्या है आपका, you can remember it, D goes with the D, dynamics. So what a drug does to the body, आपने मेडिसिन ले ली, बॉडी ने क्या किया काइनेटिक्स में, but now you have taken the drug, know what the drug it is going to do with the body. So it is definitely going to exert few effects. कौन से इफेक्ट आएंगे? It will be biochemical or physiological effects. Now just pay attention. Here I am going to use both the term effect as well as action. So it includes biochemical and physiological effect and action at the molecular level या macromolecular level, कहीं पे भी molecular level, cellular level, organ level, tissue level, कहीं पे भी. ठीक है, so it is going to effect as well as the this one. So what a drug does to the body, so you can see in the next slide. So what is this pharmacodynamics? It is a physiological or biochemical effect of the drug and their mode of action at macromolecular, subcellular or organ system level. Now I'll just explain it with one example. Suppose a person is having headache and we give एस्प्रिन, ठीक है, उसको हमने हेडेक के लिए एस्प्रिन दे दी। अब पेशेंट को क्या हो गया, हेडेक उसका ठीक हो गया। अब उसका हेडेक ठीक हो गया, वो क्या हो गया आपका इफेक्ट, ठीक है, हेडेक के लिए दी उसने, उसकी भी हेडेक ठीक होगी, दैट इज इफेक्ट। बट ये हेडेक ठीक कैसे हुआ, हाउ दिस ड्रग इट हैज एक्टेड, कहाँ पे इसने कैसे काम किया। It is going to inhibit cyclooxygenase enzyme. So this is its action, right? So I think now it is clear to you, effect and action. Now, what are the basic difference between the effect and action? Effect is the response which is produced by a drug. जैसे यहाँ पे headache ठीक हो गया, that is the response. But how and where, that is the action, ठीक है। So the type of response which is produced by the drug, that is called effect, but how and where it is produced, that is called action। जैसे यहाँ पे effect क्या है, headache चला गया एस्प्रिन में, ठीक है, but कैसे गया, that is action। So effects they are measured, ठीक हुआ कम हुआ, action you have to identify कहाँ पे काम किया। Effects they are only quantitative, quantitative means you can increase or decrease, up you cannot put any new effect, okay, so either it is going to increase the response or decrease the response, so it is only quantitative, okay। Now the two drug, it may, another important is the two drug, it may exert the same effect, two drug may exert same effect, chances are there, but action may be different, ठीक है। यहाँ पे ये एग्जाम्पल, सपोज दे आर द टू ड्रग, वन इज अ पाइलोकार्पिन and another one is a morphine. Their effect is both of them they are going to cause the meiosis. Meiosis is its constriction of the pupil. Pupil का size आपका जो black color है that is pupil eye का, उसमें क्या size कम हो जाता है। It is seen with both the drug pilocarpine as well as morphine. So this is the effect जो आपको दिखता है। But in case of pilocarpine, the meiosis is because of the contraction of the circular muscle of the iris. ये इसका action, मतलब कैसे हुआ ये वाला, ठीक है। So effect is a type of response, but how and where, that is the action. Similarly, morphine, this is also going to produce meiosis, but meiosis is due to stimulation of the third cranial. This is B, stimulation of the third cranial nuclei. So the two drug may have same effect, but action it differ. अब बात ये आती है, now I think by this you must have understood basic difference between the effect and action, ठीक है। अब ये है दोनों में से पहले क्या आता है, एक्शन आता है कि इफेक्ट आता है, एक्शन आएगा कि इफेक्ट आएगा। सो पहले ये एक्शन आएगा, दिस विल बी द फर्स्ट, बिकॉज फर्स्ट इज देयर विल बी कंट्रैक्शन ऑफ द सर्कुलर मसल ऑफ द आइरिस, फिर ही आएगा ना मायोसिस। सो एक्शन विल ऑलवेज प्रोसीड्स the effect. So you can see in the next slide, the two drug it may exhibit the same effect, but their site of action it may differ. Then drug action, it always precedes the drug effect. This is important MCQ. कौन सा पहले आता है, drug action और drug effect. Now in whole pharmacology you will be reading the action. Action आप कैसे पढ़ते हो, it is a mechanism of action. जितने भी drugs हैं उनके आप mechanism of action जो पढ़ते हो, that is the action. Where is a pharmacological action जो आपके ये है, that is the effect, ठीक है। जो आपके pharmacological action है, desired action as well as undesirable, जो आपके EDR है और जो आपके pharmacological action है, they come under effect. So I think now it is clear to all of you what is the basic difference between the effect and action. And remember one thing, both of them they are not synonym, both of them they are not same, ठीक है। Effect, it is a type of response that is produced by the drug, but how and where it is produced, that is the action. and it is always the action which precedes the drug effect, and the two drug may exert or may exhibit the same effect, but their site of action may differ. So that's all about today's video. So if you like my video, and please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel.